What does Mumbai think about paper? Let's find out.
Have you ever written a letter to someone?
Yeah. Once I had written it to my best friend and once to my ex-boyfriend.
Those were the days you used to get those blue inland letters that you would write and
When I was in Bhopal pursuing my graduation, my uncle used to always say that write a letter to your mom. It's about emotional attachment. So I did. But then, like currently, not at all. I use ChatGPT a lot.
When I can't say it in person, I'll write it and give the note because whatever my thoughts are comes out clearly when I'm writing. Yeah.
do you think writing on paper is more special than the digital text messages that we send today?
Absolutely, I feel because it involves, you are actually involved physically in writing and then seeing the ink on paper, I think making it look better, putting those small emoticons or whatever you do. I think it becomes more like a personally soothing thing. And even when you're a student, I think when you write and learn, especially math or any of those things, I think just makes it more clearer.
मेरे फूफा आर्मी में थे तो वो एवरी न्यू ईयर और दिवाली पे वो हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का और दिवाली का वो कार्ड भेजते थे उसमें शायरी लिख के
Recently, if you would have noticed, there are few startups, especially people who are into mini cookings and all. They write a special note while serving, so it gives an emotional bonding.
When you're typing, there's autocorrect, and then there's emojis, and then there's most used emojis, and you just keep repeating the same thing. But when you sit to write, you can't erase that easily. The backspace is not an option. You can't keep, scribbling. You need to restart, so you start putting things together more meaningfully.
And we had whiteners. The
Yeah.
only way was whiteners, not that delete all and control C, control V. You had to write it all over again.
And especially for girls like us, we always want to have those written letters because usually we find it more attractive and you put more efforts in writing, so it's special.